Hello everyone, welcome to Baguio Paparazzi. It's me, Louis Corpuz. Today we will just go to the Baguio City Market and buy chop suey vegetables. So, thank you for watching. Let's go. More blessings to all of us. Look at this, they colored the stones. Today it's a little cold here in Baguio. I have a little bit of a flu. So, this is the part of the year where it gets cold here in Baguio. Oh, look at that, there's a shoe. There's a shoe. Anyways, let's just go. Let's keep walking. This house, I really like this house. The location, the shape, the look, it's simple. It's now a trans hotel. It's like a transient house. So, here in Baguio, the plants like this is like a cactus. During the typhoon, this pine tree was knocked down, so they cut it. They totally cut it off. Nag-ukay-ukay here. Usually for kids. We are here in the Lechon Itag area. Oh, look at that lechon. This is Baguio Fast Food Center, 3rd floor. M. Lulier and Cebuana. In the middle is an ukay-ukay area here in Baguio. There, ukay-ukay. We're gonna go buy chop suey. Hello po. Kalahati nga lang po dito. Okay, we already bought the chop suey vegetables. 50 pesos. Okay, hello everyone. Mission accomplished. We have chop suey vegetables. I bought a Heartex tissue and baby ko diapers. Thank you for watching. More blessings to all of us. This is daily life in Baguio. Baguio Paparazzi. Baguio City is beautiful. It's nice.